back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing an avalanche slime, and my name is Nirvana and she is Jordan.
Hi.
Let's get started. So we're going to begin with the clear glue, and then here we have some food coloring. I'm going to begin with blue.
And I'm gonna do pink.
Okay, so to begin, you're going to need 1/4 of a cup of clear glue. So now we're gonna fill up the clear glue bottle up to the middle and then shake it up a little, and then half of it is going here and then half of it is going over there. Now we're gonna mix the water and the clear glue. We're gonna add the food coloring. I'm just gonna put 1 drop so it's not too dark.
Okay, I'm gonna use pink already.
Next to both of the clear glue, we're gonna be putting some of the gold glitter that's left here. Activator, we're gonna be using 1 tablespoon of borax and 2 cups of warm water. We're gonna just put 1 pump of lotion. Be pouring in slowly the borax solution. Okay, so now after like 10 hours of mixing, we're finally gonna put it in the container. Just put it there. It's like very pokeable now. It's really pretty and glittery. Yeah, now we have the space for the white glue. Finally, going to the white slime, you're gonna want to take again 1/4 of a cup of white glue. You're gonna want to take a tablespoon of cornstarch. You're gonna want to take some shaving cream.
When you add the cornstarch, it smells like kids glue, like kid.
We're gonna put like 4 pumps of lotion. Next, we're gonna take 1 pump of foaming soap. Now we put the borax
activator.
Now we're just gonna put it on the top, and you always want to make the clear one on the bottom and the white one on the top.
Yeah.
This is how it's supposed to look like up close. Here at the
With
top
2
and the
colors.
bottom. And then we're gonna let this sit for about 3 days, and then we'll be back. These are the end results of all the avalanche slimes. Here, I'll give you a look at this one. Then, oh, and the glitter went to the top too. And we have this one. And then I made an extra purple one off camera. Let's take it. You can see my finger. Okay. Okay, and then these are the only ones I'm gonna show the mixing of, because the purple one, which I'm really excited for, is going to be on my slime account. And if you want to follow that, it'll be on the stream right now, and it is at creative_slime_girls. Okay, so now I've had this like really cool idea. Now I have them all mixed. The purple one is on my Instagram, but then I was thinking, let's just mix them all together, all the avalanche slime. Let's first take out the purple one so you guys can see how it came out. The pink one, you guys already saw this one. Let's get this one. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, let's try to make a swirly now. guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here at the end, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm posting videos every single week now. And yeah, okay, bye guys.